99% of the liquor returns to the cooking process. After going through the cooking process, the pulp goes on to the purification, pre-bleaching, and bleaching stages. In the bleaching process, we use chemicals to bleach the material. The chemicals act on the molecular structure of the lignin, modifying and discoloring the pulp. All chemicals that are used are highly efficient and environmentally friendly. Through the elemental chlorine-free or ECF process, the operation takes place with a sequence of reactors and washers that use water flowing in countercurrent, allowing for smart water consumption pursuant with the best global operation standards. Once bleached, the material goes on to the drying and baling stages. The white mass purification procedure is divided into 5 stages, during which the impurities that come with the fiber are separated from the pulp. Sheet formation table. The pulp is transported with a large amount of water, which starts being removed on the formation table, where the sheet starts gaining shape. After formed, the sheet goes through a press section, which continues removing the water. It then runs through the dryer, which in contact with hot air removes water from the sheet until reaching 90% dry content at the exit to the cutter. At the cutter, the sheet is cut into pulp bales and then goes on to the packing lines. The packing section comprises 3 lines in which the bales are compressed and packed with the pulp itself. They are stacked in 2,000 kilo units, stamped with the company's identification, and then transported to the industrial logistics area to be distributed and marketed. And finally, our pulp is certified according to the chain of custody, ensuring that the feedstock is produced sustainably.